Hello, you little cotton buds. How are you all doing today? Right, this is a Brazilian coin. I don't think I've done a coin from Brazil. Cruzeiros. Sounds like a breakfast cereal to me. Mum, can you get the Cruzeiros for breakfast? Right. First of all, we have to punch a hole in it. Excuse me. Hope everybody's doing fine. Mr. Wonderful is on top of the world. Right. There we go. So now we have to go over to our one and only gorgeous. She's leaking again. Bloody hell, Bertha. What is wrong with you? Look at her. She's dripping on me again. Right. Let's give it the old 1-2, shall we? Come on, baby. Come on. Come to daddy. Oh, yeah. Come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, beautiful. That looked painful, didn't it? Right, what we got? We've got one of them. And we need one of them to hit that. To make that happen. Now we need Christy Bear. Even though it's not French. Oh, what's this coin made of? I've got a feeling it's stainless steel. But it's quite a thin one, so I'll carry on. I don't usually do stainless steel coins because they're a right bugger. Is it stainless steel? Is it magnetic? Yeah, it's magnetic, so. But it's not strongly magnetic, so it could still be stainless steel. Because some stainless steels are magnetic, believe it or not. Did you know that? Not a lot of people know that. My name is Michael Caine, and I'm a nosy neighbour. Did you know the woman at 32 had extra milk delivered today? Not a lot of people know that. Right. There you go. So, and people want me to show the annealing, so I'll show it, but I only show it once, because once is enough, isn't it? Don't you think so? I don't know how I'm going to do my camera when Big Bertha's gone. I'm going to get a tabletop press, so I'll have to experiment. Let's get it hot as the sun, shall we? I've been watching Jimmy Carr on YouTube. God, he's funny, man. Any of you Americans over there seen Jimmy Carr? You seen Jimmy Carr beer? If not live, have you seen him on YouTube? Check him out. It's quite good. He makes me laugh. Right. So what side we're going to go with? Well, that ain't too bad, is it? You got a bit of and you've got a bit of nothing there. So I think we're going to have to go with this side, aren't we? So I think I better break out dimples. Yep. And we'll I'll give it a bit of the old 1-2 with dimples. Right. Dimples is behaving quite well. Then our little magnetic hoochie coochie cube. Let's put a bit of jollop in there. I've got a feeling this is stainless steel. Too much again as usual. Perfect. That ain't looking too shabby. Right. Yeah, this is stainless steel. And we all love stainless steel, don't we? Right. So, let's break out a bit of the old sandpaper. Oh, look at that. Still haven't got any sandpaper. I'll get some tomorrow. I've got to get some wood tomorrow, so I've got to get some wood so I can fix down Big Red and Spike, because I'm going to my local bar on Saturday to make rings for people, and I can't really screw them down to the bar or the table, so I'm going to buy a piece of 2 or 3 inch thick timber, about 1 metre long, and then I can screw them down to that and then fix that down to the table so I don't upset the landlord. Ever so nice though. I will try and get a little video of me there Saturday. You can have a laugh. It'd probably be a complete disaster, but there you go. Right. A bit of kitchen roll. And we'll head over to Spike. There we go. And we'll give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie coo. Right. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for hating. I like the haters just as much as the likers. You should like everybody. That way you can't get disappointed in life. It's just going to split on me or what? It's getting a bit hoochie coochied. Oh yeah. Yeah. What's it looking like? It's looking a bit sad. So I think I'll just get a bit more love with Bernie. Okay. That's good. Let's get a bit more love with Bernie. Yes, better. That's the trouble with stainless steel, it just goes rock hard again. Well, the bow is out of it. So let's nip down to the bottom end of Spike and see what we've got. You're just looking for one of these beauties. Now there's nothing protruding. No, that ain't too bad. Let's stick a bit of jollop in there. Oops, daisy. Yeah, too much again. That should be my middle name, shouldn't it? Too much. That'll make a good road name for a biker. Too much. Maybe a little bit back. One of my friends, his road name was No Limits. Yeah. I don't want to go too far. Oh my God, come out. And my road name was Jippo, believe it or not. Need to go back a bit more. But hardly any. Yeah, this is stainless steel. He doesn't like it. In fact, I think that's going to do it. I won't push me luck. Right. Now we'll break out Kate Bush and Dave the Dremel. And let's get a bit more intimate, shall we? There you go. Right, this just gets the fire scale off. It doesn't scratch the coin. This is very similar to Cruzeiros steel wool. Hope everyone's having a good day. If you'd like to leave me a comment, good or bad, I don't mind. I read them all. I try and reply to them all. It went a bit crazy the weekend. I might have missed the odd person, but if I did, drop me another line. You got any requests or something you'd like me to do? A certain coin I might have, or if I could get. Well, there's not a lot of detail on there, but there's, you know, it is what it is. It's from Brazil. If you're from Brazil and you're looking for a coin ring, hey, I've got you one. Well, you can't keep doing the same stuff all the time. You've got to try and do, you know, different coin rings. Otherwise, people get a bit pissed off and don't bother checking in anymore. Right, where is the polish? Right. This should come up quite good. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to subscribe, it costs you nothing. I don't get any money out of it. It just helps my channel. Hit the like button. Or if you don't like it, hit the dislike button. Just hit the buttons, you know, come on. And if you're watching Stuart from Scotland, hit the like button, man. Did you like the little video I did for you yesterday? I posted your coins off on Wednesday. You'll probably be watching this at Thursday. Let me know when you get them. Right, what we got? What have we got? Clean off the old mingers, I suppose. Yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Let's get some more cloths out. This is just as dirty as the one I just used. There's a bit there. My girlfriend cleans these, finishes polishing these up though, because mine's all covered in rubbish. Right. Yeah, stainless. So if you're from Brazil and you're looking for a 1984, that was a really good year. That was a good year for bananas. Right, what size we got? This is a size 8 1/4. It fits this finger absolutely, spuddy dog. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. You know. Yeah. I think that's about it, really. Just try and make somebody smile. And God willing, I'll see you all Saturday. Don't let the bastards get you down, and behave yourselves. And if you can't behave yourselves, don't get caught. Right. Tell me bye-bye.